How you guys doing? My name is Adrian Cruz from TLCMKT.com. Guys, don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button at the end of the video to stay up to date with all the latest TLCMKT.com news. I'm here with a fellow black car driver. His name is Dioni Suarez. D, can you tell us a little bit about yourself and the vehicle that you drive and use?
My name is Dioni Suarez, born and raised in New York. I'm a full-time college student and a full-time black car driver.
Notice that you have this beautiful vehicle here. Can you tell us a little bit about it? What type is it? What year is it?
Well, this is a Cadillac XTS 2016 luxury edition.
What do you like about it as a driver?
Well, it's a luxury car. It kind of fits well with my personality.
Awesome.
It's comfortable. I have a lot of leg room. There's plenty of space.
Awesome.
People feel real comfortable when they sit in the car.
Tell us a couple features of this vehicle that you enjoy and that passengers also like.
Well, the 2016 Cadillac XTS has dual climate. It warms the seat and it cools the seat.
Awesome. The passengers get that option of changing the climate when they want.
The front and the back.
And the back. Amazing.
Yeah. And they have their own air conditioning in the back.
Awesome. Also. Good to know. What are the positives that you like about this car as a driver?
It's real comfortable. It travels well in the city since there's a lot of potholes and stuff. People love the leg room. They love the space. Fits about 5 people. They feel sophisticated when they jump in the car and they feel like they're taking over the city. I'm 6'1", so I have a lot of leg room. I get a lot of compliments on the space and the inside is very roomy.
Awesome. What are the positives that you like about this car as a driver?
My favorite thing about the car is, I would say, the sunroof.
What type of sunroof you have? You have one of those special nice sunroofs that go all the way back?
Yes, it reaches all the way to the back, and it has like a tint for the sun glare. Yeah.
Awesome.
My favorite feature is the 360 view. There's cameras on 4 points in the car, on the front, the back, and the 2 sides.
Oh, awesome.
So when you're parking, it actually shows you a 360 view of your surroundings.
Awesome. I also noticed that this has the feature to self-park.
Yes. It'll self-park with using the cameras, the 360 view. The car, all you control is the acceleration.
Awesome. That really comes in handy in New York City where we always got a parallel park.
Definitely.
Any other pros? I noticed you have a tire pressure display.
Yeah, the car comes with all displays. It shows you tire pressure. It shows you the oil check, how many miles you have.
Awesome.
It comes with the wheel. It warms up in the winter when it's really cold in the car.
Yeah, that comes in handy in New York City.
Also a stash box.
Oh, show us this stash box. Cool. That's amazing. Oh, wow. That's pretty cool from Cadillac. Can you tell us a couple cons, if you have any, about this vehicle?
The only cons I would say is that the car gets really hot when it's parked. And as you can see, the display screen starts to crack. And it's not something you can feel, it's inside.
Oh, wow, that's crazy because, so you telling me like the car is parked, you had the car parked and just the sun hitting it over time caused this cracking effect in the display.
Over 2 summers, it has almost taken over the whole screen.
Oh, wow, so that must be like some type of factory defect that you just have it parked and just developed this damage. Wow, that's good to know. Great feedback. Guys, Dioni Suarez is a black car driver. He is available for services, events. Dioni, can you give your contact info for individuals that are interested? They could reach out to you.
Okay. My email is dsuarez181@icloud.com. My Instagram is Dominican Dread, and you can call me at 347-360-3020.